So I finally got my hands on the viral half wig from ISEE Hair. This is the kinky curly unit in 22 inches. I am absolutely obsessed with this unit. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that I styled this unit, so keep on watching. So inside of the box, they gave me a wig cap, they gave me an extra strap, they gave me a wig band, and they gave me a pamphlet with some instructions on it. Again, this is the 22-inch kinky curly unit. This is a half wig. So you can do the flip over method. You can do a half up, half down. This hair is everything. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you tried it? Are you looking forward to trying it? I will put the link in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. So I've been hearing all the hype about this half wig from ISEE Hair, so I had to try it out for myself. This is the 22-inch kinky curly unit in the color 1B, has a drawstring, clips, and an adjustable strap. All I had to do was leave out a little bit of my hair and it blended perfectly. Of course, the curls are beautiful right out of the package, but I had to add a little volume. Now I'm just taking out my minimal leave out in the front and blending it with this unit. And when I say this hair is so bomb, so easy to blend with my natural hair, absolutely love it. Did a little quick trim and baby, this hair is absolutely everything. I see what you're doing, ISEE Hair. I see what you are doing. Absolutely love this unit. It will definitely be in rotation all summer long. I am so in love with this half wig from ISEE Hair. This is the 22-inch kinky curly unit. Let me show you how easy it is to style these curls. Add just a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse, and the curls are popping on sight. All I did was rake the product through with my fingers, and that is it. Super easy styling. Then I went in with my diffuser to dry the curls, and now I'm taking out my minimal leave out in the front, and the blend was super easy to do. All I did was 2 flat twists on the side. I didn't have to add any other products, and this final results speak for themselves. This half wig from ISEE Hair is definitely a must-have. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm sure you can see why. Let me show you how I did this super cute half up, half down style using my half wig from ISEE Hair. This is the 22-inch kinky curly unit in the color natural black. It comes with combs as well as adjustable strap and also a drawstring in the back. This unit is so versatile and can be worn in a variety of styles. This half up, half down look was absolutely beautiful, and it only took me about 15 minutes to accomplish this style. So I'm just taking some of the hair from the unit and combining it with my hair to make a ponytail. I'm just gonna fluff it out, wrap my hair around the base, and that is it. This look is so adorable. Absolutely love it, and you cannot even tell that this is a half wig. ISEE Hair, you definitely did your big one with this unit. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.